This is the fifth question of your test. To encourage new customers and new movie theaters offering different ways to pay for a movie, here is your members pay $75 a year plus $2 for a movie. Non-members pay $5.75 to see a movie. So you want to make a table and you want to go from 0 to 50. So you want your first amount to be 0 and your last amount to be 50, and you want to increase by increments of 10. Now, for those of you who did pick up on it, yes, the question's a little off because it throws the word pizzas in here. That's just a typo. They meant to say movies. So ignore that. All right. So let's figure out the cost for members if they were to watch no movies. So they pay the $75 a year plus $2 a movie. But if they watch any movies, they just pay that $75 for the year. And for the non-members, they're paying $5.75 per movie. So if they watch no movies, it's just going to be 0. Now, in order to fill out this first row, we had to figure out how much it costs to watch 10 movies. We need to add that to our starting point, 75. So we can't just add 2. We can't just do 75 plus 2 because it's 77, because it's asking for 10 movies, not just one. So we got to figure out how much does it cost to watch 10 movies? So 10 times 2, that's 20. 20 plus 75 gives us 95. So for every 10 movies, we're just increasing by 20 each time. And we continue down. For your non-members, it's $5.75 per movie. So for 10 movies, it's going to cost you 10 times $5.75, which is going to be $57.50. So 20 times $5.75, that's just going to be this doubled. So let me do the quick math in my head. I'm guessing that's $1.15. 50/50, that's $1. That's going to be 14, so 15, and that'd be 100. That looks about right. So yeah, we're just increasing basically by $57.50 each time because we're increasing by 10 movies each time. So let me see some more quick math. That should be 172.50. Let me check. 000 752 5271. Yeah. And then you just continue writing out your table. Now, in order to make your graph, your x-axis, that's going to be for your movies, because the cost depends on the amount of movies that the person purchased. And you want to include 0 to 50 for your movies. So somehow you want to get 0 to 50 on this x-axis. You want to find the total amount it costs so you can figure out a good scale for your y-axis. And I think a lot of people got like 280 something for their greatest value. So it makes sense to have 300 up here because there's 10 lines. So each line could be going up by 30. So if we go 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300. So that would be a good scale for this. And then you would plot your points for each line. So for your members, it would be 0.75. So you start at 0, go up 75. Then it'd be 10.95. So you go to your 10 marker and go up 95. And you can find your third point and then make a line with those 3 points. And you do the same thing with your non-members. For 0 movies, it's $0. So you just start at the origin. At 10 movies, you have $57.50. So you go over to your 10 mark and go up $57.50. And you pretty much do the same thing. You use the points on your table to plot the points for each line to make the graph for each line for your member and non-member.